So you may or may not have seen in the past that I did some videos on some different things with FreeNAS. But I'm building a new FreeNAS, and so that means I had to get a bunch of flash drives to load up the OS for FreeNAS onto. That's typically how FreeNAS works, is you have a flash drive, you boot to it. And you can also use them as failover, right? So you can have like 2 flash drives running in like kind of like RAID 1, basically, in like flash drives in RAID, right? But basically so that if one fails, you can pull it out and put a new one in, and you don't really kill your system. So I bought a bunch of these. These were like less than $5 on Amazon. So probably the cheapest, or nearly the cheapest, tiny micro USB flash drive you can get. I say micro because look at this thing. I mean, that is the whole flash drive, right? Like the plug is like 6 times bigger than the drive itself. I mean, this really just shows you how crazy we're getting with new flash memory. It's just tiny. It's ridiculous. So I'm gonna unbox this. There's not a lot to unbox here. So the review is gonna come. The review and some testing is gonna come after this. So it's just gonna be one video. So let's open this up, see what we've got. These are the Cruzer Fit USB flash drives from SanDisk. They are super cheap, and they're 16 gigs. You can also get these in 32 and 64. I think you can get them in 8, but why would you bother? So I usually buy them in 16 because that seems like a good size for most things. And I go through flash drives a lot. I think I use them too much. Kill them. Anyway, let's go on with this. So it says it's USB 2.0 and 3.0 compatible. I don't know really what they're getting at there. Sure. And let's see. You got some software that comes with it. SanDisk Secure Access software, which I'll probably just chuck in the trash. But you know, whatever. I don't feel like you can really expect much from a $5 flash drive, but you never know. Oh yeah, and it's compatible with Windows XP, guys. That's good, right? I know there's a lot of you Windows XP users out there still, so that'd be. I know you're really excited to get some flash drives that work with your OS. I'm rolling my eyes, but you can't see me. The packaging is absolutely frustrating to get open. So that's good. Oh, look at that. I've peeled the front and the back off of it. The flash drive is still stuck. I'm going to tear the top off. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's coming. This is like a doctor trying to give birth to a child. Oh, look. Okay, I've extracted all the packaging, and now I'm in interesting territory. This is like opening a yogurt container. See this? It's like it's hermetically sealed. Keeps the magic smoke in, actually. So, okay. So, when it gets this small, I think pretty much like you're just gonna lose it, to be honest. And it does say USB 3.0 compatible, but I don't see the extra pins, and I could be blind, but I don't see the extra pins for USB 3.0, so I think they're lying. It's not actually a USB 3.0 device, to be honest. Just compatible. The little cover fits kind of weird. I don't know if you can see that, but it just kind of like fits over. Like it's gapping. I'll take a picture of it real quick, and you can just see the back. Like, they're not great. This is a $5 flash drive, but it does have a little keyring holder. It does not look like it has an access light of any sort. But I mean, hey, look, it's tiny, you know? You pull it out, and you'd probably definitely want this on a keyring because this is epically tiny. I don't know that there's much more to say about it, but coming up next, you'll see me at my computer, and I'll be going over the system specs of this.
Alright, so with this drive, we did okay as far as running speeds to it. For sequential reads, we do about 40 megabytes per second, both with the sequentials at least. And then the 4K randoms, looks like it's about 5.5 to 4.7, somewhere in there, depending on QDEP 32 or not. Doesn't seem to matter about file size. Seems to do about the same, as you can see on the board here. And then, of course, our writes do better with large file sizes. And yeah, that's about it. It's about standard flash drive. So I guess I expect you to be relatively pleased with this if you buy it for $5. Um, that being said, I was wrong. It does have an activity light, and I threw a video up so you can see that. Just a little amber-looking light that just shines through the case of the flash drive. It's nothing fancy. So there's that. And then overall, the drive comes pretty empty. It comes with SanDisk Secure Access v3. I didn't really go into actually opening that or using it in any way. I figure if you want to use that, that's fine, but I assume the software is not that good. I don't really have any use for secure file things or encryption on a drive, so that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and hope you have a good one.